Now you will learn that how we'll change our multi-leader system. To change our multi-leader system, first of all you have to check this is our multi-leader and its style are multi-leader style. I mean standard. They have two style available, annotation and standard. So we are using standard option to create that, or we have used the standard option to draw our multi-leader. So I'll escape and I'll click M, L, okay. Otherwise here you can see the multi-leader style are available here. Otherwise we'll go here format and we'll click here multi-leader style. So I'll click multi-leader style, and by using which one we are working, standard, then simply click modify, and here you will see the content, that means text height, this is 0.18. So I'll make it 12 inch or suppose 15 inch. Then leader structure, okay, 15 inch. Then I will go here for leader structure. So what will be the leader structure? No need to do it, just here leader format. In leader format, what is the arrowhead symbol? That will be closed fielded. You can change any of that. Then I will provide that as a suppose 12 inch. And break size, what is the break size? Actually we have provided that 1 feet. And what will be the break size? Suppose break size will be 6 inch. Then go and click set current and close. Just see, everything changed. Our all size and everything says change actually. And also this is the break size. If you need to change that, then again go here format, then multi-leader style, standard, and modify leader structure. So I think landing distance. So what will be the landing distance? Landing distance will be suppose 12 inch here, 12 inch, or if you need more, then suppose 20 inch. It's more, so 20 feet, and suppose okay 2 feet. Then click OK and set current and close. Just see, it's moved. In this way you are able to use your leadering system. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next lecture. And if you hear, that means you are interested with our course, or you are learning something better from our course. So if you also think so, please give us a 5-star review if possible, and give us a good review so that we can encourage for further work. Thank you very much.